I realized that one of our greatest strengths is our enthusiasm to work together, our curiosity, and our desire to develop something together. The future of the Alliance for me will depend on our leveraging this strength of enthusiasm, desire to work together, openness, leveraging it around an object or several objects that we can bring into being. So for me, good materials are certainly reflected in the inside book of case studies, 28 case studies to think and learn with history, which I recommend to all. It's in open access on Zenodo. But especially I'm always in favor of soliciting and engaging participants in a learning experience to bring what is their curiosity, what is their desire, what is their demand, what are the points of intersection that we can build from. And I think it's particularly appropriate for science diplomacy, this interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary domain. It is indeed important for those of us in the North or in whatever space we are, to acknowledge the existence and call for more interaction with other spheres. But the only way it's going to happen is if we, in fact, are interacting and really are exchanging and really are finding, once again, common objects to work on. There is always a combination of passion in scientists and engineers and others who want to know more about the world, the natural world and the social world, and who want to address it with method and rigor, and to be able therefore to communicate with confidence with their peers and with other stakeholders. That's a commonality, and again, as a social psychologist, I'll say that's our strength. That's something that we have to grasp, the passion and the rigor. If we want to be practitioners who are successful, if we want to always have the motivation and the taste to continue to be science diplomats, always have the means and the will to develop relationships which have to be long and varied, I would say that each one of us has to be authentic. Each one of us has to be in touch with our actual motivations, and we have to very probably form some kind of special relationships, kind of core relationships, where we can be very sincere and very honest with each other about that before we go out to address our statecraft or scientific objectives.